sleep.
Alright.
Stop hitting me.
We will.
I want to hit you back.
He believe you. More lights.
I'm coming for you.
Okay, you're a faggot. You completely just woke me up. You're such a faggot.
Sorry. I thought you were asleep because you're like, you're like, started getting angry.
Taking a load off.
Huh?
Is that a problem?
I don't know what you're saying.
Is that a problem?
No,
Why are you videotaping me?
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
I'm playing a game.
You didn't know that I'm awake right now, right?
Yeah, I do.
So I thought you videotaping me.
I'm not. I'm playing a
He's
game.
playing solitaire.
Let me see.